Hey guys, I'm going to tell you a story today. One of Jesus' parables. It's called The Two Sons. Here's a man. He grows apples in his orchard. The apples are red and rosy. Time for them to be picked. At home, the man has two sons. Dad comes home, says to the first son, "Oh, I want you to help me pick some apples." First son says, "No. I'm busy." But after a while, the first son feels bad. So what does he do? He goes to that orchard and he gets a ladder and he gets up there and he starts picking those apples. Well, at the same time, the man finds his second son. "I want you to come help pick apples too," he said. He said, "Help." The second son says, "Okay, I'll come help you. I will come as soon as I put on my boots." So the dad, guess what he does? He walks all the way back to the orchard. And what do you think he found? That's right. He found that the first son was there helping, and he had already finished a whole basket. "Well done, son." Happy face. "Here's another basket. We'll have this done in no time." Together, they worked really hard. They were collecting apples, putting them in the basket together. But you know what? There's no sign of the second son. He forgot his promise. Who do you think pleased his father? Who do you think made the father more happy? The son who said yes, but didn't show up? Or the son that said no, but did show up? Who do you think he's more happy with? The first son or the second son? Well, Jesus says what we do is more important than what we say.